Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be looking at how these bunch of guys tried to stone a truck. Now the reason why they would stone a truck is mainly because they want to steal the truck, number one, and steal the goods that the truck is transporting. And as you can see, it's pretty dangerous. It's just lucky that the truck driver happened to duck. So yes, for South Africans, truck driving is a dangerous job, especially if you go into these outlying areas where it's very easy to get hijacked or stoned in order to bring a truck to a stop and they can steal the goods. That's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more daily content. I'll see you around.